Welcome to ChatGPT. Thanks for watching for more Tenius Virals. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Today I've learned about all 12 Balkan countries matched by My Little Pony Equestria Girls characters. Without or no search. Let's begin on journey, shall we? 1. Twilight Sparkle, Greece. Smart, intelligent, and scientifically advanced, reflecting Greece's magical science and technological edge. 2. Rainbow Dash, Albania. Bold, loyal, and flashy, just like Albania's super sportsmanship and leadership. 3. Pinkie Pie, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Cheerful, party-loving, and full of energy, with a vast open spirit like Bosnia and Herzegovina's steppes. 4. Applejack, Bulgaria. Honest and hardworking, just like Bulgaria's deep roots and traditional values. 5. Fluttershy, Romania. Gentle, quiet, and peaceful, reflecting Romania's harmony and calm nature. 6. Rarity, Serbia. Fashionable, glamorous, and luxury, echoing Serbia's modern charm. 7. Sunset Shimmer, Croatia. Independent and thoughtful, just like Croatia's balanced diplomacy. 8. Trixie Lulamoon, Montenegro. Confident and dramatic, echoing Montenegro's expressive personality and artistic style. 9. Principal Celestia, Turkey. Wise and diplomatic, inspired by Turkey's role as a principal leader. 10. Adagio Dazzle, North Macedonia. Controlling and music-driven, mirroring a mysterious and powerful aura in North Macedonia. 11. Arya Blaze, Slovenia. Rebellious and competitive, just like Slovenia's strong pride and resilience. 12. Sonata Dusk, Kosovo. Tech-savvy and upbeat, symbolizing Kosovo's digital innovation and youthful energy. If you want, next to, turn this into a PDF file. Create a style image version. Make a timeline or story. Turn this into population and area data as of April 12th, 2026. Just tell me.
Let's get
Country, Greece. Equestria Girls character, Twilight Sparkle. Population, 10.4 million. Leader, Kyriakos Mitsotakis. Capital, Athens. Languages, Greek. Character gender, female. Description, smart, intelligent, and scientifically advanced. Country, Albania. Equestria Girls character, Rainbow Dash. Population, 2.8 million. Leader, Eddie Rama. Capital, Tirana. Languages, Albanian. Character gender, female. Description, bold, loyal, and flashy. Country, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Equestria Girls character, Pinkie Pie. Population, 3.2 million. Leader, Borjana Cristo. Capital, Sarajevo. Languages, Bosnian, Croatian, Serbian. Character gender, female. Description, cheerful and energetic. Country, Bulgaria. Equestria Girls character, Applejack. Population, 6.4 million. Leader, Nikolai Denkov. Capital, Sofia. Languages, Bulgarian. Character gender, female. Description, honest and hardworking. Country, Romania. Equestria Girls character, Fluttershy. Population, 19 million. Leader, Marcel Ciolacu. Capital, Bucharest. Languages, Romanian. Character gender, female. Description, gentle and peaceful. Country, Serbia. Equestria Girls character, Rarity. Population, 6.6 million. Leader, Ana Bernabe. Capital, Belgrade. Languages, Serbian. Character gender, female. Description, fashionable and glamorous. Country, Croatia. Equestria Girls character, Sunset Shimmer. Population, 3.8 million. Leader, Andrei Plenković. Capital, Zagreb. Languages, Croatian. Character gender, female. Description, independent and thoughtful. Country, Montenegro. Equestria Girls character, Trixie Lullamoon. Population, 620,000. Leader, Milojko Spaji. Capital, Podgorica. Languages, Montenegrin. Character gender, female. Description, confident and dramatic. Country, Turkey. Equestria Girls character, Principal Celestia. Population, 85 million. Leader, Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. Capital, Ankara. Languages, Turkish. Character gender, female. Description, wise and diplomatic. Country, North Macedonia. Equestria Girls character, Adagio Dazzle. Population, 1.8 million. Leader, Dimitar Kovalevsky. Capital, Skopje. Languages, Macedonian. Character gender, female. Description, mysterious and powerful. Country, Slovenia. Equestria Girls character, Aria Blaze. Population, 2.1 million. Leader, Robert Golub. Capital, Ljubljana. Languages, Slovene. Character gender, female. Description, rebellious and competitive. Country, Kosovo. Equestria Girls character, Sonata Dusk. Population, 1.8 million. Leader, Albin Kurti. Capital, Pristina. Languages, Albanian, Serbian. Character gender, female. Description, upbeat and tech-savvy.